Welcome to the Bot Penguin. In this video, I will explain you how to set the service reason for your partner's account, the default service reason for your customer's account. So let's get started. Simply log into your customer's account. Go to the configuration section on the left hand side. Over here, you will get the last option of service reason. So over here, you can check mark any country's phone dial code as a default. For example, if I turn this as default, so wherever the phone number will show, the India's phone code will get as a default here. So this is how you can set as per your need. You can set any country code as a default from here. In case if you have any queries regarding the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing Bot Penguin. Have a good day.